If you want to change the message tone on Motorola Moto G87, you can, for example, open the settings in your phone, and then you can go to sound and vibration. Now, if you go here, then you should be able to find default notification sound. And what you can do is you can change the notification sound in order to change the message tone, because new messages are just part of notifications, of course. But what you can also do is, if you want to change the sound just for new messages and only for that, then in that case, we're gonna go back to settings, and then we're gonna go to notifications instead. Then over here, open app notifications. Now here you might be able to find messages straight away. If not, tap on most recent and switch to all apps. And then we need to find the messages app over here. Let's go ahead and open this. You might also need to tap on show unused categories over here in order to find incoming messages. So then you can tap on this option. Then here we have the sound option. So let's tap on that. And then you can choose the specific sound that should be played when you receive a new message from someone. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.